Designs here on YouTube, and today I'm here with some Happy Mail from Miss Janet Nash. And I already pre-opened the envelope, and as you can see, she did some nice little artwork here. This is gonna go, I'm gonna use this envelope here in my junk journal that I'm working on for Friends Across the Miles. So let's go and see what's in here. Ooh. We got an ATC card made by Miss Janet. It has some stamps on it. It's got her little signature heart, as you can see on here. This one says art, this one says hope. And it has the date that she made it, 3/12/21. Her name, and she made it for hashtag time for art. Cool. I can use that on her page too. Then she sent me some pieces of fabric. Now if I'm not mistaken, they are the size that she used for her little envelopes that I saw a video on. Oh yes. They are. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to watch that video that she did, and I'm going to make the envelopes to put, well, one of the envelopes to put on her page. And I think I can do this. Yes. Okay. I got it. So she sent me 4 pieces of 5.5 by 5.5 pieces of fabric. This one's pretty. They're all pretty. And this one, I believe, it is sari silk. I think. If Miss Janet watches this, please let me know what this piece is. If I'm not mistaken, it's sari silk. Because I can tell the way it frays here and by the back. Okay? So, these would be really fun to make. And her page layout would be really, really fun to do. So, let's see what I do for her page coming up when I start making the junk journal. Friends Across the Mile. The Friends Across the Mile junk journal. She also left me a little note. She says, Nessa, something to make some envelopes. And she put it, I can use this in there too. The note is on the other side and I don't want to show it. So this is going to go on her page layout whenever I start to work on it, which will hopefully be soon. I will have a step-by-step of how I'm doing it, how I'm putting the journal together, and things like that, from start to finish. And each person that contributes to the junk journal pieces, the page layouts, will get a file with the whole book, from the whole book, because I'm going to scan each page layout as I go and put it in one file so they can print it out and they can make their junk journal and add to it. Okay, so basically it's going to be almost like a printable, well, it's going to be a printable junk journal, but all the printables are going to be made by me. It's going to be all page layouts. So let's see how that goes. So thank you again, Miss Janet, for your contribution in the junk journal Friends Across the Miles journal. And I will say this, as I usually do. Thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down there and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button to get notified of when I upload new content or when I go live. Okay? Also, Be kind, be loving, be caring, stay crafty, be caring, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.